to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel. Today, we are talking about Lamborghini Revuelto. The Lamborghini Revuelto 2024, an ode to automotive excellence. The Lamborghini Revuelto 2024 stands as a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence by Lamborghini, pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. With breathtaking power, groundbreaking technology, and an unmistakable aesthetic, it represents a new era in supercars, power, and performance. At the heart of the Lamborghini Revuelto lies a 6.5-liter V12 naturally aspirated engine, boasting a displacement of 6,498.5 km/3, 396.6 qn. This powerhouse produces a breathtaking 825 CV, 607 kW5 CV, 607 kW. What sets the Revuelto apart is its hybrid system, which combines the internal combustion engine with 3 electric motors, 2 on the front, e-axle, and 1 behind the engine. This synergy results in an awe-inspiring combined output of 1015 CV, propelling the Revuelto to a top speed exceeding 350 km. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h, 0 to 62 mph, is achieved in a mere 2.5 seconds, making it a true speed demon. An advanced chassis and aerodynamics. The Revuelto's chassis represents a quantum leap in automotive engineering. It features a multi-technology carbon fiber monocoque with a front structure in forged composites, creating a central monofuselage inspired by aeronautics. This innovative design maximizes weight reduction, 9 kg compared to the Aventador front frame, enhances tensional stiffness, I-40,000 and ensures strength, further elevating safety for both the vehicle and its occupant. Active aerodynamics play a pivotal role in the Revuelto's performance. An active rear wing adjusts through 3 positions based on driving modes and dynamics, optimizing downforce and stability at high speeds. Wheels, suspension, and brakes. The Revuelto rides on striking wheels with front rims measuring 20x9.5J, 21x9.5J optional, and rear rims at 21x12 joint, 1222x12.5J optional. These wheels are equipped with high-performance tires that deliver exceptional grip and control. The suspension employs front and rear double wishbones with Elminster dampers featuring Lamborghini MagneRide technology. This setup strikes a perfect balance between ride comfort and razor-sharp handling. Braking performance is equally impressive, with SeekB Plus Carbon Ceramic Brakes Plus. Brakes that include fixed monoblock calipers in aluminum. Front discs measure 410/38 mm, while rear discs come in at 390/32 mm, ensuring rapid deceleration when needed. Safety and dimensions. Safety is paramount in the Revuelto, offering driver, passenger, and side airbags, with knee airbags available in specific markets. In terms of dimensions, the Revuelto measures 4,947 m in length, 2033 m in width, excluding mirrors, and 2266 m in width, including mirrors. Its height is a mere 1160 m, giving it that unmistakable supercar stance. The wheelbase spans 2779 m, contributing to stability at high speeds. In the innovations. The Lamborghini Revuelto introduces several groundbreaking innovations. The carbon fiber monocoque extends to the front end, creating a monofuselage inspired by aeronautics. This design not only reduces weight, but also enhances safety and stiffness. The V12 engine undergoes a complete transformation, resulting in higher efficiency, reduced back pressure at high revs, improved torque and power. The weight reduction of 33.5 kg further boosts performance, making the Revuelto an engineering masterpiece. Conclusion. The Lamborghini Revuelto 2024 represents the pinnacle of supercar engineering. With its awe-inspiring power, innovative design, and cutting-edge technology, it's a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. While pricing details may vary based on customization, the Revuelto is not merely a car. It's a work of art, an embodiment of speed, and an icon of automotive excellence. It embodies the relentless pursuit of automotive excellence that defines the Lamborghini brand. The Lamborghini Revuelto is the most expensive non-limited production flagship that the company has ever produced, with prices estimated to be between $500,000 and $700,000.
Introducing the high-performance electrified vehicle. We accelerate toward the electric age with the roar of our history.